is powerful, and with OneQR QR codes, it's now more connected than ever. OneQR makes it easy to connect customers to your brand, transforming traditional print into an interactive experience. Imagine your business cards becoming a digital gateway, instant access to your contact information and social channels. No chance of losing your card or inputting the incorrect information. Flyers no longer need to be one and done. With OneQR linked to videos, promotions, or even event signups, update destinations anytime. Bring your brochures to life with interactive storytelling. Whether it's product demos, maps, or downloadable content, your readers can explore and engage in ways print alone could never offer. Direct mail becomes smarter when it's trackable in real time. Use the OneQR scan to call or scan to text destination and turn curiosity into conversions. Even large banners become dynamic tools, linking to live streams, schedules, or rotating promotions. One print serving countless purposes. And don't overlook packaging, the perfect place to add value. QR codes can connect customers to recipes, reviews, warranty info, or exclusive offers. Make your posters more powerful with interactive elements, linking viewers directly to purchase links, contests, or feedback forms. The ideas are endless. Your catalogs can stay current all year long by linking to live inventory, pricing, and promotions, keeping them relevant long after print. Even stationery can work smarter, with QR codes on letterheads or invoices, linked to payment portals, scheduling, or review sites. Add a little fun with interactive cards, RSVP links, event maps, countdowns, or personalized video greetings that create lasting impressions. For restaurants and cafes, menus that update instantly mean you'll never have to reprint to announce specials or menu changes again. And for businesses that rely on visibility, signs that capture leads on the spot. Connect passerbys to listings, event info, or your digital business card. With OneQR, your print materials don't just inform, they interact. You save money, stay current, and measure engagement, all from one simple scan. Create, connect, convert. Implement OneQR today and watch your business grow with every scan.